Hello and welcome to Bottoms Up with Bollywood. I'm proud to start the season with girl power.
Deepika Padukone and Priyanka Chopra. Everyone! How are you doing?
Very fine.
You all yourself are meeting after a very long time, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
We were on this couch, I remember season 4, right?
Exactly. And that time we both were not married. Now
Yeah.
today we are happily married, I guess. Yes.
That's very good.
I guess.
You just look very, very beautiful.
I have to compliment you on your outfit. Please run me through your wardrobe someday.
And I want your
Sure,
shoes,
why not?
man. You have
Definitely.
amazing collection of shoes, by the way. I love
Weird,
it.
but yeah.
Yeah, weird, but
you,
it's classy.
yeah.
That's Karan Johar, right?
Yeah, that's Karan
Weird
Johar.
but suits him.
Yeah.
Tell me about a bit of your marriage life. Like, you got married first, right?
Yes.
And then you got married. And recently you went for a religious trip kind of thing with
That
Ranveer
was
Chu.
our first marriage anniversary celebration.
Okay.
We went to Tirupati, we went to Golden Temple. It was really nice experience. It was really good, and anything with Ranveer is awesome.
Oh, that is so sweet, right?
Yeah, that's just so good.
I think it is.
What about you?
It's great. Okay, so we got married and we had known each other for 2 months, and then it was so spontaneous. So I remember he went down on his knee. We were in Greece. I said yes, and then next thing we got married. So yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Our family, they gel really well together, and
That's
you know,
nice.
Yeah,
It's
so
really nice.
yeah.
Okay, so you girls are driving me crazy. You made me miss my question.
Yeah.
So
That's what
recently,
we're trying to do.
You know, like the queens of Bollywood?
Yes. Don't mess with us, Karan.
Never.
you're the queen. She's
Yep.
not the queen of
We
Bollywood.
are
Come
not falling into your trap. We are playing it
Yeah.
safe this time. Okay.
This is my show.
We know your
This is my
strategy,
trap.
Karan. But we know your strategy. Yeah,
We
that
have
is
been
how
in
it
this
is.
industry. We have been
Yes.
with you for so long. We know
Okay.
what you do. Okay.
So now I got to change my strategies a bit. So now again coming back to my question. So recently you were replaced by Alia Bhatt in a film, which was again a Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So what do you have
It
a
was
good
not
equation?
about replacing. Okay. I think
What was it about?
Alia Bhatt would have been would have performed the character well. It's not about replacing. It's even I am busy. I am having.
Doing what?
I'm having a foot in Hollywood and here as well. So it's really hard for me to tackle these things.
Oh.
I need to work double for make things work out for myself. And now now I'm married and now it's a lot of work.
Yeah.
So it's okay. Somebody else is
You know,
eating off my.
This is the same kind of
Work.
reason I gave after working in Bombay Velvet. When I was criticized for my role,
Hey, I loved your role, yaar. You were so awesome. It was better than DDLJ, I'll tell you. Really? Really.
sarcasm.
This is the truth. You take every compliment as sarcasm. How do you? No,
Yeah,
it was genuine.
it doesn't work on you.
Okay, thank you. DDLJ has a 5 to 10 second thing, and whereas Bombay Velvet, I'm the negative role. So the kind of reason you're giving me for
Yes.
not being in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali, that's the reason I gave
But
for
you're
not
not
acting
married,
well.
right? Are you?
I've got kids.
I'm not saying.
But he didn't have kids back then, right?
I was planning it out, you know.
Yeah, you were
I was planning it for
out,
years,
and now,
years.
Now I have so much. I travel so much. It's so hard. You know,
Yeah.
I miss
Yeah.
out on so many parties, and half the parties you don't even invite me. I don't know why.
Because
such
you
bad
don't
friends,
invite
or what?
me to the LA house you've just bought. You kept a party where there was
So,
Dwayne
okay,
Johnson,
it's a
you know,
very-
the male
it's a
hot
very
chick,
different-
and you did not call me.
It was a very
That's a different
scenario
conversation
there,
right
okay,
now,
it's
okay.
a very different. Yeah.
Yeah.
How?
You don't want to get
The
into
only thing you had to do was
It just
invite me. I would have taken my private jet, you know, I'm rich.
Oh my god. Yeah, we know
I would
that.
have
Yeah, we
taken
know
a
that.
jet and come there directly.
Of course.
But
So
I was
you
not invited.
basically bought the private jet for the Kalangs thing, or it was something
No,
else?
so the thing was,
yes.
I had two.
Okay.
Then when Kalang flopped, I had to give money to the distributors.
Oh my God.
So I sold one and I had to.
It's okay.
I'll buy one more.
It's okay.
Student of the two is coming.
It came
Oh my
and it
God.
did well.
What
They
are
did
you
very well, I
thinking?
think. I actually forgot that Student of the two even released, then I went and lost it.
I think we all forgot.
My films are not that bad, you know.
We are not saying
I never
that.
said it was
Yeah.
bad. It was just too
A film you
good.
just forget
It
about.
was a
It's
very,
bad film,
very
yeah.
good try.
Very
I think
good.
very good try.
But
We,
yes.
we will do it.
Karan
Yeah.
and Tiger Shroff tried to act, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Except dancing and jumping around, he tried.
Yeah.
And he did really
Yeah.
well. I'll tell you this.
And that was the only reason I watched the movie.
You watched it for Tiger Shroff?
Yeah.
He's really good
To
dancer.
see him
and-
act.
Yeah. Acting is, but dancing was fantastic.
I watched it for the other side, hot guy.
Oh.
So my question before we start the rapid fire round
Yes.
was that to her, how do you feel? And there's this thing where you and Ranveer exchange clothes, like he wears your lehenga.
Isn't that good? Like, you know, थोड़े में ही काम हो जाता है.
He looks really pretty. We don't have a lot of pretty boys.
And I
See, the
tell
thing
you,
is, he is Sindhi, so he's wearing your clothes, he's saving money. He's Sindhi like me,
Oh my
so I get it.
God. Oh my God.
But the thing is, he's wearing a lehenga in public.
that is his style, okay? And I think that's Janleva style, okay?
Yeah.
And
Janleva?
Janleva style. Why did I marry him?
You should
Because
try
he wears
that.
women clothes. Was that the reason?
Come on, just because the way he is, the personality. I tell you one thing, I think we are all God's child, but Ranveer is something very special in
Yeah.
that case.
He's God's style.
He's amazing.
But like right now after marriage, you don't tend to maybe control his energy. or
Why
go to
would
something.
I? That is his decision. We are at the end of the day, we are both like individual selves, and it's our decision what we want to wear.
Because I was thinking if he's giving all his energy out, does he have energy and time for you?
What
and
are
all
you
that?
asking? What are you answering this?
You know, I'm
And,
asking, does he have the time
Even
to
I'm
talk?
curious to
Does
know,
he have
okay,
the
like,
energy
yeah.
to talk to you?
I know where you were going, but
I'm curious to know at the end of the day how do you
I'll
guys.
tell you after the shoot.
Yeah, me
Not
too.
on TV.
Not on TV, not on
No.
TV.
And you can tell I'll edit it.
Some things are that should be personal.
I can
you
talk
know?
about that, but you know.
About what?
You know.
Sure. You've worked with Ranveer Singh before too, right? During Dil Dhadakne Do, and
Yes.
have how was your working experience with him?
It was brilliant actually. It was one of like on set best experience. One of the best experience I've ever had. It was brilliant.
I think for
And
me,
you even worked with him on Baji No Mastani. Even you were there, right?
Yes. We had a great time. No,
I just feel
I'll
that.
tell you what it was. I felt more like I was third wheeling amongst them because it was.
That's what your character was.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I was doing
yes.
it off set as well. So that's where. Yeah.
I think
She knows more
Pinga
about
was very fun, right?
Yeah, it was
Pinga.
really, really fun.
Yeah,
we had
it
a
was-
great time there.
You started off dating Ranveer Singh during the sets of Ram Leela, something like that, right? But before that, you were going through this bad or depressed phase in your career and your life. And during that, you were your appearances were very less and all that. Like, what had happened during that time?
See,
you know?
the thing is, I tell you very honestly, in
Yeah,
society.
it's
that
national
we-
television. Please be honest.
Okay, thank you. I will. मैं जो कहूँगी सच कहूँगी. So the thing is, in a society, mental illness is not taken so much seriously as it is to physical.
Yeah.
So for me, I was suffering for a long time with depression, and that was, I wouldn't say it was the worst phase of my life. It was something that made me much more stronger
Yeah.
and to compete with more challenges ahead.
Yeah, that's good.
I mean, I'm talking about Ranveer. Okay, so I was at the verge of despair when Ranveer came into my life. I think that was the most. When I first saw him, I was like, "Oh man, who is this? I'm not gonna ever talk to him." He was like a joker, or like
On
just-
set.
Yeah, it was like he has that personality, you
The
know.
first time you met him was on set, and you all met. You liked the Joker, and you all hit it off.
Yes, he did.
Is your guy a Joker too?
He's not a joker.
Not
though.
like Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh's energetic.
Yeah,
His personality,
Yeah,
guys.
I
Come
love
on, don't
him.
call
I love
him
him.
Joker right now. I have the right to. You don't have the right to call him Joker.
But he is always the funniest guy in the
I'm
room.
working with Ranveer, okay? My next film is with Ranveer.
I'll see.
And I've had this kind of bond with him where I can call him a joker.
Yes,
I can call him anything. He's pretty chill with it because he calls me a lot of stuff which I don't like. But,
Don't cry about that, Karan. National
We know
television,
what
Karan.
that is. We know.
okay. You acted in a film in Hollywood, but it did not work out. And whereas she started off with TV. And she's doing pretty well. Like she's
Exactly.
doing a lot of
Yes.
films.
Happy for her.
I think, to be honest, I think she did an incredible job.
Oh my god, thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yes.
But
Okay.
still the film didn't work.
That is a different part of it, man. Come on, see, it's very important that you experiment with things. So for me, Hollywood was a very good experience. I got to learn a lot. I mean, the way of filmmaking is a bit different over there. So you experience things,
Also,
and
that
that's
I
how
think
you learn.
she's very new to the Hollywood industry. So it's
Okay, that was
Okay,
a
I
good
don't
thing.
mean to
I take
offend
that as a
you.
compliment for me. Thank you so
yeah,
much.
but I think she did very well. She did really well for somebody.
I think for me, I was
new.
satisfied with doing it, so I was happy. So for me, it's a big thing. So it's
So-
always gonna be special.
Yeah.
there's no kind of jealousy or something.
No way. Why would there be jealousy, man?
Even so many people talking about jealousy.
Yeah,
You're
this is
jealous.
the media hype, I tell you, okay?
You started off with Vin Diesel in a film, okay? And it was like already a successful franchise, and then you were a part of it. Whereas she started off with a TV series, and from TV series she worked with Dwayne Johnson,
Yeah,
films.
Okay, I tell you, that is a very good research. Very good.
Thank you.
But
Karan Johar.
Karan Johar, obviously. I think it's different for everybody. For me, I felt that that was the good decision. And being Deepika, I think for me, intuition matters the most. I felt it was the right decision for me.
Yeah.
That gut feeling that you get. So for me, that was the right thing, so I did it.
Okay, so after the film, you didn't get offers or you didn't accept offers?
Well, that's a personal thing. I'll keep it to myself. Thank you.
Oh no, you have to tell us, okay?
Yeah,
You
come
know,
on.
I was really expecting
Because-
you to do another movie. I couldn't wait.
So-
I had
so
so
this-
many friends asking.
You know what? It's very good to have patience. Just keep patience.
Because
You'll
honestly,
see
I'm
things.
It's
asking.
been
I'm
quite
honestly
long,
asking
right?
because I want to know if you're actually yet interested.
Karan.
Because I'm trying to make a Hollywood kind of drama where you're running slowly, and I'm planning to cast you.
Like
too.
a Baywatch thing.
I've already done it, okay? I have already done it.
I mean the train sequence and all that.
Kind of, for Hollywood,
Okay,
you know,
cool,
because
we'll do it, yeah.
I don't think my films have reached there, and I want to conquer that market too.
Okay.
So that's what I want to ask. Are you yet interested so I can think about doing something like that, or you just cut it off because you didn't get offers?
You
and
know
all
the
that?
thing is, Karan, you
Oh,
don't
that
come to
is-
me with offers, okay? You just never come to me.
You don't
It's
attack on that
yeah,
way,
you,
okay, man.
I have to approach you. Come on, Karan, there's a good script, you know, I can act in it. I said that is the way. You just don't come to me. That is the thing.
You know the thing is, my characters don't suit your
Okay.
the
Oh
way
my
you
God.
are, you know.
He means to say we are special. We are kind of unique, right? Not
My-
ordinary, but good.
My film's also special that way then.
Okay, yes, that is. You do very well.
We
We loved
got- we-
Kalank. Karan.
Okay.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
You don't need to hit me like that.
I'm
But-
not hitting you. I'm just saying it was very good movie, yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Compliment, yeah.
So we'll come back to that later. I wanted to ask you this thing that a couple of years back, I saw this thing on Twitter where you were wearing the same hoodie which Shah Rukh Khan was wearing, and then there were these
Oh my
things
God.
about you and Shah Rukh. What was all that about?
You know about this, right? You know about
Saying anything.
You know about it?
I don't know anything. I
Here's
don't know.
the thing, okay? I don't know why the industry is so skeptical about coincidences. I mean, coincidences do exist in the industry. So I've had so many people coming and be like, okay, you were wearing Shah Rukh's hoodie. So I confess that hoodie belonged to my ex. I didn't say it was Shah Rukh's. It can be just it can be a coincidence
Could be
that
anybody, yeah.
Shah Rukh must have had the same hoodie. I don't know. There's such a buzz about this in the industry. I don't think any of that is true. It's rumor, totally.
We agree to it, Karan.
Yeah, I've had a lot of attacks, okay, on that from you as well.
Okay.
But yeah, you just have to believe me.
Sure, why not?
Yes.
So, you consider yourself doing good,
Yeah.
and you do less films, I think, right?
Not
Like,
less film. Come on, I do films.
You
yeah.
had the phase where you were releasing every two, at least there were a film in
Yeah,
1.5
yes.
or something like
Yes.
that, because that was because of Sanjay Leela Bhansali, like Ram Leela, Bajar Mastani,
Yes.
Padmavat.
Yes.
Then he stopped for
That-
now.
I
So
tell
then
you-
right now you've got a no film. I think you've got a film coming up. It's
Chapa?
about an
Yeah.
accident.
I think it's time to call
very
Sanjay
good.
again.
I think that was just a coincidence, and it's fine. It's okay.
Okay.
And I was like busy with marriages and stuff. It's okay.
You just got married. So you're planning it for a very long time?
Very long time.
So,
Karan, very long
of
time.
course, we are women, we plan.
Yeah.
Personal question. Where does Ranveer buy his lehenga from?
I won't tell you. That.
Manish?
I won't tell you that.
Okay. I think you've worked with Salman, right? That was way back, and you planned to work with him. You had a fight, something.
Okay.
You planned to work with him on Bharat, and then you did not turn up, or you rejected because you're getting married or something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
again,
that
it's the same thing, okay? So we signed up for movies, but then something or the other comes up. It keeps happening in the industry, and you
Okay.
know it. It's not about like I hold like grudges against
Yeah.
Salman or anything.
He should be the one holding against you.
Oh, why?
Because you
Really?
backed off from his film 1 week before the shoot.
So he was understanding about it, okay? It's just a thing that you guys
See,
think.
he
Yeah, it was
understands
always
and-
understanding.
And you sometimes.
Yeah, you just have this habit of, making things big, okay? Like, for
Oh,
nothing,
that's
for
the
nothing.
reason why he makes such good films. Like big films.
Yeah, like Student of the Year, too.
Ah.
Now, after all this drama, let's start with the rapid fire round, okay?
Yeah.
Are you ready for it?
No, never.
So the thing is,
Always.
Usually I give hampers, but this time I'm being more Sindhi, so no hampers for y'all. If you all want, you all can pick up the cup and go later. Alright? That works?
We'll keep it for you, na. We'll sign it. It's okay.
I don't want this time.
Let's keep it as.
Last time also you all came, I have your thing last time also.
Oh my
So
God.
it's okay. So now let's start off with the rapid fire round, okay? I'm ready.
Oh god.
Why I'm ready?
We're ready.
Why?
We're ready.
Okay. So who looks best shirtless, okay? Ranveer, Salman, John, Hrithik.
Ranveer. Hrithik.
Hrithik?
Yes. Yes.
Good choice.
Yes.
Have you kissed someone and regretted it? Like it can be on screen, off screen, personal relations.
Yeah.
Anything.
No.
Name him. Name.
I won't. You just asked, did you regretted it, yes or no? You didn't ask me for the name, man.
It is my show. I'll just add it.
You just can't. The question was simple. I said yes or no.
You're talking to the producer of the show. You know that, right?
It's
Okay. What about you?
No.
Like, you've not regretted it.
No.
Good. Okay. So, bonding pretty well, huh?
Yeah.
I tell you, man, we're very good friends.
Yes.
You just don't like us. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I don't like
This
you.
question of friendship, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You always up to, कुछ ना कुछ हो जाए हमारे.
This mirch masala you get, na, we won't give you that. I tell you.
Yeah.
True or false? You're currently the best actress in Bollywood.
I think
The
I
question is
be-
not for you because you're in Hollywood right now.
I think, for me, I think I believe it to myself. That
She
is something
is.
that keeps me motivating.
Okay, so your best on-set kiss.
Ranveer
This
Singh.
this has
Ranveer Singh.
has the name.
For sure. Ranveer Singh.
Right. Ranveer is a pretty good kisser.
Anna, I tell you, this thing is a very good kisser. I tell you.
I'm just messing. I'm just messing with her. Okay.
Okay, come on. It's
But
you're
yeah.
in a profession, in a fraternity, wherein you have to portray things. It's okay. It's normal.
Yeah.
Come on, Karan. You can't say that, man.
Yeah.
I can. I don't kiss on set. Okay, so now tell me about like if you all were using Tinder and everything, what would your profiles be like?
Dare me to swipe left.
What?
Dare me to swipe left.
There. Oh, nice. What about you?
You know what Tinder is for, right?
I've been using it way before you were using it.
Arey, but that will be my tag. Do you get it?
Alright, but
We'll
this
keep it
is-
quite personal. We won't tell it to Nick or no. We won't take it to Ranveer. Yeah, it's personal to us.
Yes.
This is going to air on TV. They're going to watch it.
Come on, yeah.
You can just cut it out.
Yeah, we can just
I won't.
Come
we'll
on.
see that.
You're a good friend, right?
Yes, very good friend.
Not invited to the LA party where Dwayne Johnson was there.
He is
Okay,
stuck
that
in
is
the
again
same
different.
place.
Okay, you don't invite me to your parties. I don't.
Again,
I
it's fine.
did. You
It's
didn't
fine.
turn up for the Katy Perry one.
Oh my god, guys.
So I was working. Okay, I was busy. That's
Oh,
why. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
What
Now
was
that I didn't. Okay, so I'm not disclosing it on TV. Okay, I'll tell you later.
Yeah, good.
She's working for a Netflix film. I'm telling you right now. You won this time. Again. Last time also you won, right?
Great.
And I can take the cups if you all want or something like that.
Will do.
I'm talking.
You're sorry, Karan.
Very bad. What is
Sorry, Karan.
I just feel left out. I like, let's take a selfie.
Yes.
From my Apple iPhone.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance floor, bro. I know, you know, I know. Sight when my new joint hits. You just can't sit. You gotta get jiggy with it. Ooh, that's it. Now, honey, come ride.